Okay, so what I'm going to show you today is something I've seen the product after the fact. Actually, I hadn't even seen it at the time, but now they're starting to put out this product, which is glitter embossing powder. So what I've got here today is, I'm running really low, as you can see, on this one here on the left. I'm just going to pull the camera up a little, or at least attempt to. There we go. So this is my clear embossing powder and my dazzling diamonds, which is sold by Stampin' Up. I've got a container full, well, semi-full, of dazzling diamonds. And you can use any of your glitter that you've got. Keep in mind when you're picking a clear glitter, which is what I'm going to be working with today, that each glitter has its own color to it. I know that the Distress Glitter Clear Rock Candy by Tim Holtz, or Ranger, can't see it from here, doesn't have a color to it. This one has a color, as does, what's this one? This one's Recollections Glitz. You can see that this one is a pink hue. It's pink and green in the hue. And each one that I've got has got just a slight different hue. This one is Dazzling Diamonds, and it's showing me purple, green, orange as its main colors throughout it. And that's what I see when I hear it. It's kind of like a purpley blue, green, orange. I don't know if you can see that. I can't quite get the light into the camera. But you can see that it's not quite white. It's not quite silver. It's not quite anything. It is the reflective colors of purple, green, and orangey and yellow. Orange and yellow. Okay, so I've got some clear embossing powder from, where was I? Country Lane. So I'm going to take my spoon for my clear. This is from my clear over there. So then I just take, like, a big scoop, heaping scoop. 1, 2. So two heaping scoops of that. But that's embossing powder. To 1 heaping scoop of Dazzling Diamonds. And then I'll take the spoon that I've designated for that, mix it up. At least this is the ratio that I've found that gives me gorgeous sparkle in my products. Now, because I use a lot of it, I'm going to do it again. 1, 2. Thus the need for a new bottle of clear, just to make sure I keep myself in a lot of clear. Every once in a while you find something inside your embossing powder. Don't know where it comes from. Okay, so this is the clear scoop. Put that away. Don't want anything in my clear. Just put it away. And then another 1 lovely scoop of Dazzling Diamonds. Now, I had previously purchased, Dazzling Diamonds does come. I gotta put one of these command things on my other lid. I just haven't done it yet. I previously purchased at Michael's the sparkle embossing powder that they have there. And this is it here. It's reflecting back to me just silver. And I think that's it, just silver. It looks like they took a very clear, you can see as I shake it, that the silver comes to the top. It's a silver glitter mixed with white embossing powder. I find that when I use this, it doesn't work the way I want it to. I find that this one works better. So I don't use this very often. I sometimes add it to my silver. Looks like it doesn't have a spoon either. I sometimes add it to my silver to get a little bit of oomph to it. Okay, and I've also added it to my white.